Obsidian has been a mysterious and powerful material for centuries, from ancient tools to modern-day jewelry. But what makes this volcanic glass so fascinating? Let's dive into its history, uses, and unique properties. Obsidian, a naturally occurring volcanic glass, has fascinated humans for centuries due to its stunning appearance and sharp edges. Formed from the rapid cooling of lava, obsidian possesses a unique combination of properties that make it not only valuable as a material for tools but also as a subject of study in the fields of geology and anthropology. Its deep black, glass-like surface is a result of its composition, which is primarily silica, a compound that gives it both strength and a characteristic glossy texture. In ancient times, obsidian was prized for its ability to be shaped into tools with unparalleled precision. Early humans used obsidian to create cutting implements such as knives, scrapers, and arrowheads, leveraging its sharp edges to assist in hunting, processing food, and even for ritualistic purposes. The material's remarkable ability to fracture along smooth planes allowed early toolmakers to craft items that were not only functional but also aesthetically striking. Its use continued through various civilizations, from the Olmecs in Mesoamerica to the ancient Egyptians, where obsidian's versatility extended to the creation of decorative items and even mirrors. The geological formation of obsidian involves the rapid cooling of lava, which prevents crystals from forming, giving the rock its glass-like structure. This formation process occurs when lava rich in silica cools too quickly for the minerals to crystallize, resulting in the smooth, non-crystalline texture of obsidian. The environment in which this process takes place can vary, but it generally occurs near volcanoes or in areas where volcanic activity is prevalent. As such, obsidian is often found in regions with significant geological activity, such as the Pacific Ring of Fire, parts of Iceland, and areas across North and South America. Its widespread occurrence has made it an important resource throughout history, particularly for ancient civilizations that relied on volcanic glass to create tools and ornaments. Different types of obsidian can be found based on the mineral inclusions present within the glass, leading to variations in color such as mahogany, rainbow, and snowflake obsidian. Obsidian has not only been valuable in ancient times but continues to be of interest to modern science. In the field of archaeology, obsidian is used as a key material for studying early human migration and trade networks. Since the material is primarily found in specific volcanic regions, archaeologists can trace the movement of people and trade goods based on the presence of obsidian in archaeological sites far from its source. This has provided critical insights into the development of ancient trade routes and the exchange of knowledge and resources across different cultures. Furthermore, the study of obsidian's composition can provide valuable information about the volcanic activity in a given region, offering scientists a glimpse into the geological history of the Earth. Obsidian's chemical makeup, which includes trace elements such as sodium, potassium, and calcium, varies from one source to another, making it a useful tool for geologists to study the origins of volcanic eruptions and their impacts on surrounding ecosystems. Beyond its historical and scientific importance, obsidian also holds a place in the world of metaphysical practices. Throughout history, various cultures have attributed spiritual and healing properties to obsidian, believing that its reflective surface and sharp edges could ward off negative energy, protect against physical harm, and even aid in emotional healing. Shamans and healers in ancient cultures used obsidian mirrors to help people confront their inner selves, as the stone's reflective nature was thought to symbolize the ability to reflect on one's soul. In more recent times, obsidian is often used in crystal healing practices, with proponents claiming that it helps to ground and balance energies, as well as release emotional blockages. Although there is little scientific evidence to support these claims, the spiritual and symbolic significance of obsidian remains strong, particularly in alternative healing and wellness communities. The aesthetic appeal of obsidian has also contributed to its enduring popularity. Its smooth, glossy texture and rich, dark colors make it a sought-after material for creating jewelry, decorative objects, and even art. Artists and craftspeople use obsidian to create intricate carvings, sculptures, and pendants that highlight the stone's natural beauty. The material's inherent sheen makes it a favorite among those who appreciate its elegance and timeless appeal. In addition to its use in personal adornment, obsidian is also employed in the design of luxury goods, such as inlays for furniture and watches, further solidifying its place in the world of high-end craftsmanship. Despite its ancient origins, obsidian continues to inspire creativity and innovation in modern design, making it a timeless material that bridges the gap between past and present. Its continued use and fascination are a testament to its enduring legacy as one of the most intriguing and versatile natural materials known to humankind. From ancient civilizations to modern design, obsidian continues to captivate us. What's your favorite use for this stunning stone? Let us know in the comments.